Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make buttermilk, which can be used for your red velvet cake, your chocolate cake. So watch till the end to see how it was made, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. So first, in a plate, I'll go in with half cup of water. Once this is done, I'll be using my next ingredient, which is the white vinegar. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of white vinegar for this recipe. So I'm adding my vinegar to this. 2 teaspoons is all you need. Next, I'll be adding my powdered milk. I'm using 1/3 cup of powdered milk. I'll give this a good stir till it is well dissolved. So once it's dissolved, I'll allow it to rest for at least 5 minutes before I can use it. And here your buttermilk is ready. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll give an answer. To see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and also share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.